If you're looking for freelancing jobs to make money online, then you need to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to show you 5 best freelancing websites which are like Fiverr, on which you can start your freelancing career and make money online. I'm going to give the website links in the description below, so there is no need to note down the website name or their addresses. So the first one is the fiverr.com. You already are aware of this if you are a freelancer, and almost all kind of category which the freelancer can work online is available on Fiverr. And these categories like graphic and design, and you can see all these subcategories: digital marketing, writing and translation options, the video and animation category, then music and audio, programming and tech, and then data analysis, business and lifestyle. So all these categories and their subcategories are available. In order to make money online on Fiverr, you just need to make an account by clicking this join button, and thereafter you need to create a gig like this one. These gigs are already created on this website. These gigs are basically your profile, in which you tell the people that what is your expertise, and based on that expertise, you also set the price on which you would do that job. For example, this person says that I will design 3 modern minimalistic logos with unlimited revisions. So the price it has already shown here. You can also search the services if you want to hire a freelancer, and otherwise if you are a freelancer, then you can make a profile by creating your gig on this website, and then you can start to earn money. The next website which I want to mention is Outsourcely. Just like all other website, it is valid for both the person who wants to hire a freelancer, and similarly if you are there to work as a freelancer. So if you want to join the Outsourcely as a freelancer, you need to click this for remote workers. Once you will click this for remote workers, you will reach this page in which you will see the posted jobs which are already posted here. For example, customer services representative, and the date on which this job was posted, and then the whether it is a full-time or a part-time job, that is also mentioned. You can click any of this button and then see the jobs description details, and the skill level which is required, that is also mentioned here. If you want to specifically search your area of expertise, you can select from here, for example, design and multimedia, and then you can click the search. So all the jobs you will see here would be for the graphic designers, so you can apply for those jobs. So this was the second website. Freelancer is the next website for the freelancing jobs which I want to recommend. The skills that you can sell here: skill developers, designers and creators, the bloggers and writers, mobile app creators, sales and marketing, and SEO experts. They also have an app both for the Android and iPhone. You can download that app and you can use this platform from your mobile. The overall number of freelancers which are presently available here are more than 1 million, and as you can see that these overall 25,000 plus services gigs are there on this website. And if you are looking for a job as a freelancer, you need to click the find jobs. Otherwise, if you want to hire a freelancer, you need to click the freelancer. I suppose that you are here as a freelancer, so you need to click the find jobs, and here, just like the previous websites which I have shown you, the job description, the jobs which have already been posted here. Creating an account on Freelancer is extremely simple. You need to just give your name, email address, and you need to create a password, or you can join with the Facebook or your Google or LinkedIn account. You can join this Freelancer.com as a freelancer through our link which is given in the description below. Next website which I want to recommend is the Freelance University. This is primarily a website where you would learn the freelancing skills. They have the courses which you can join. The course list you can find it here, and you can also join the free training. They have a large list of workshops which you can join by clicking this button. Otherwise, the course lists you can see over here. You can learn the freelancing by clicking the freelance 101. The price of the course is mentioned here, and the curriculum and overall what would you learn in each lesson, that is also mentioned here. So this website, I wanted to mention that if you are a beginner, then you need to learn the freelancing skills, and you can just go onto this Freelancing University through the link which is given in the description and make an account, and you can join their free workshops. If it's suits you, then you can join any of their courses and you can learn that skill. Toptel.com is the next website which I want to recommend here. This website name is actually taken from the two words top and talent. They have a claim that they connect the top 3% of the freelancers with the top companies around the world. So you can join as a freelancer by clicking this apply as a freelancer. The joining process is extremely simple. There are not many fields which you need to fill, or you can simply join through your LinkedIn account. On the right side, you can see that they have shown the top companies with whom you can work. If you are at an advanced level of your freelancing career, then this website is extremely useful for you. You can just visit this website through our link which is in the description below, and you can just make an account and get an opportunity to work with the top brands around the world. The last website which I want to show is the 99designs.com. The link is in the description. Here, if you are a graphic designer or you work in the field of graphics, this website is extremely useful for you. You can join this website, make an account. The interface of the website is such that it is primarily for the people or the companies who want to hire a designer. Actually, you need to go at the bottom of this page, and in the resources you will see an option of become a designer. You need to click that, and it will take you to the page where you can sign in. In the sign up screen, as you can see that there are two options available. I need something designed and I am a designer. So you need to click this, give your email address, display name, password, mention that you are not a robot, and you just will be signed up, and you can just log into the 99 designs. And once you become a member of this website, you can browse these categories from here, and within the categories you can see that there is a large list of different options available. The main categories, you can explore those categories and you can apply for the jobs from the next or subsequent pages. These are the best websites on the internet to start your freelancing career. If you're already working as a freelancer on some other website, you can let us know in the description below. It will help the others and try their luck on those websites. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.